There are some things that I don't like about this car, and that would be the lock system. As far as I know, it's not the speed sensing type, and since you don't see those kind of things that go up and down, nor anything that locks red and black, you really cannot tell if it's locked or unlocked. One thing that everybody might get surprised, and it's the DCT. This is the dry type DCT, dual clutch transmission, which might not be everyone's cup of tea because it tends to be jerky at low speeds. So I rather put it to manual mode, then the jerking is minimized. I also don't like, I like the design, but the directional control is not the most accurate, so it must be because maybe it has really short fins, so it's really difficult to channel the air all the way to the passenger or the driver. Another thing that I didn't like is that the door handle is just here and you don't have one somewhere here. Well, it's actually same for other cars, I believe, but I like having this hole here, you know, so it is actually difficult to get that that motion going when you pull from here, so it's a lot easier pulling from here. And my wife left this here. This car's acceleration is actually so good, so let me kind of demonstrate. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We're in sport mode right now. This car is actually really fast, and the braking is also very nice as well. Having the automatic brakes really makes the driving experience enjoyable. So I can just brake it, then the side brake will turn on. Then if I want to just go, then just press the accelerator. It also works when the parking is on, so look at that. So I can just press it and then it just goes. It disengages automatically. I never knew that. I didn't know the electronic handbrake will disengage when you're in auto brake hold when you press the accelerator. That's a new thing I learned from the Tiggo 8. And it seems that it's also the same for other brands as well. That is very cool. See that? Because of the right turn signal, it's showing the right side of the car. Just amazing. Hi everybody, this is Ju from SoJooCars, and I'm going to demonstrate to you the amazing smartwatch of this Chery Tiggo 8. Can you please check the door? Cannot. Everybody, this is Ju from SoJooCars, and I'm going to be demonstrating to you the amazing smartwatch from Tiggo. Well, from Chery, but this is only for Tiggo 8, which is the flagship model. Alright, first of all, it is waterproof and it is very light. And the battery life is 67%. When I first got this 3 days ago, this one had 74%. So the battery life is really long. So what's really good about this smartwatch is that it is waterproof, so you can just go outdoor stuff, like maybe you go swimming or something, like when it's raining, right? You don't need to bring a key with you. You just have to wear this, and then even though you are all wet, you can still open your car, start your car, do whatever you want. So let me show you around the first feature. Before you continue, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is how it looks like. Yes, it's not the most high-tech one, but as you can see, when you tap it twice, you can see the time, the battery, and the day, and the whatever, everything. Pedometer, so how many times you walk. So after you double tap, you swipe it down, then you can see this key. You press that, then you have lots of options. Locking, unlocking, opening the trunk, windows opening, and starting and turning off the car. But first one is, I can just go near the car. So I'm going near the car. What happens? It unlocks. But when I go away, it locked. So the next function is unlocking. You just have to press and hold. Then you will feel the vibration. There it opened. And then for you to lock, you also have to press and hold. Actually touch and hold. And you can also do the trunk. Can you come? So the trunk is also open just using this, and you can also hold on to it so it will close. The halaman survived. Then next is the windows. Oh, I have to hold on to it pala. Whoa! I have to hold on to it pala. Whoa! Including the panoramic sunroof. Whoa! See that? Hanep? No? Ganda. You just have to press the lock button. And everything closes. Very cool. Next, but not the least, start. Okay. Let's hear it. Okay. Oh, boom. So the car is on, the aircon is on, it's ready to receive me as its royal passenger. Very cool, very, very gimmicky. This is the only one that I've seen that has a smartwatch key. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and this is just going to be a part of my long video. Thank you Chery Motors, thank you UAAGI for lending me this wonderful unit. Bye!